mindset ng empleyado. When they now start to enter business with an employee mindset na lugi. These people, instead of them profiting, when they now start to enter business with an employee mindset na lugi. If not nalugi, at the very least, na stress, na pressure, nagka-anxiety, na burnout. Ang mindset ng empleyado, talking about guarantees, safety, and security, they're risking as if they have all the money in the world. When you're a business owner, it takes a lot of faith. And part of faith is what we call preparation. Real faith happens when there's action. Sabi nga, faith without action is dead. Kasi pag nagnenegosyo ka, hindi ka na pwedeng malugi. Kasi ikaw ang yari. Kapag nagnenegosyo ka, hindi ka na pwedeng maging careless. Hindi ka na pwedeng maging reckless kasi wala na itong guarantee. That's why it takes more faith to be in business. Kaya hindi pwede na wala kang paniniwala or pananampalataya kasi kakailanganin mo yan sa pagnenegosyo.